Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will study about the definition of production system, its components and a real world example. Let us first begin with the definition of the production system. It is a set of rules and a process for applying those rules to achieve a goal. Every AI agent has a goal to achieve. So, it uses the set of rules to achieve these goals. And production system is a type of computer system which is used in AI and knowledge representation, and a production system models how to take decisions and which are based on the set of rules and the current data. This production system consists of set of rules, a database and a control strategy for applying these rules. The basic components of a production system are rules, database and rule interpreter, or it is also known as inference engine. Rules are known as productions as the name suggests, or it is a condition action pair for then. So this is a pair. This is the condition and then part is the action. So these together forms a condition action pair. These condition action pairs specify actions to be taken when certain conditions are met. For example, let us take an example. So this part is known as the condition part. If the temperature is below freezing and there is a then part, then turn on the heater. This is the action part, this is the condition part. Second example is if it is raining. If it is raining, till here it is a condition part, then carry an umbrella. This is the action part. Next two components of a production system is a database. It is also known as the working memory, and it stores the current facts or the states of the system. For example, if the current room temperature is 45 degrees, then this working memory will store this temperature into its database. The third component of a production system is the rule interpreter or the inference engine. This component decides which rules to apply based on the current database, and it also manages the application on these rules. For example, the interpreter will find the rule that matches the current temperature and executes the corresponding action. Let us see an example for a much better understanding. Scenario is managing the home heating. So let us put the first component, that is the rules. So there are three rules here. If the temperature is below 50, then this action has to be taken. If the temperature is above 75, then the heater has to be turned off. If the temperature is between 50 and 75, then the heater has to do nothing. So the heater will detect the current temperature, which is 45 degrees. So now the AI application has to take an action based on the rules. So the rule interpreter comes into action. It checks the current state. What is the current state? It is 45 degrees. Then it has to look for its rules. If we go back and see what is the first rule, if the temperature is below 50 degrees, means 45 is below 50 degrees. So what is the action it has to take? It has to turn on the heater. So it finds a rule 1 which matches with the condition, and the system applies rule 1 and turns on the heater. This is what we want from the AI application. And then after the heater is on, the temperature gets higher or it increases over time. Then this has to be recorded as the current temperature. So this is done by the control strategy, and it continuously monitors the temperature, and then after the temperature increases, it has to again check back to the rules. If it rises above 50 degrees, then it has to change its action depending upon the exact temperature at that particular time. Let us see another example of production system. The scenario is detection of spam emails. So here, so most of us use email services. In that, we see some of the emails go to the spam folder. So how does the AI system detect it is a spam folder? It detects using the rules present in the production system. Suppose if the rule says, suppose if the email has the words like win money or congratulations, you have won money prize, something like this, then then it has to flag as. So this is the if condition and this is the action it has to take. It has to flag it as a spam. So what does the AI system checks? It checks against these rules, and then finally it has to take a decision based on. So if the email matches any of these words, any of these terms present in the production rules, then it has to decide that the email has to go to a spam folder. If there are no such terms which are present in email, not from an unknown sender, then the email goes to our inbox. So this is how our AI system filters spam emails. Let us summarize what we have seen in this video. So a production system is a set of if-then rules which help in defining how the system should respond to different conditions. How the conditions are evaluated? They are evaluated based on the current state or the data. And how actions are taken place? They are taken when conditions are met, updating the system state, or performing the tasks. And all these rules form the basis for decision making and automation in various systems. Systems ranges from simple applications like thermostats to any complex AI driven systems. Hope you have understood what is a production system and its examples. Do comment, like, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.